car, what's the first thing you do?
Buckle. Sit down, be quiet, and buckle up for the ride.
Go slow. Check your mirrors. Don't text. Don't talk on your phone. And pay attention.
Okay.
What do you got to say, man?
Okay.
You just take the tire iron, take off your lug nuts, throw the old tire off, and put the new one on, and good to go.
You make it sound like it's like a 3-minute process. How long does it take you to change the tire?
Well,
Like 10 minutes.
yeah, maybe 10 minutes or so, 10, 15 minutes.
I spent a lot of money on driving school because you and I don't get along in the car. You're a lousy driver, and you don't like criticism.
I'm kind of like my dad, she says.
She's nothing like me. More like everything like me.
You gotta ask him.
No, not
what's your biggest, most important piece of advice when he starts driving a real car? What are you gonna tell him?
I'm going to tell him what I learned in England, mirror signal maneuver. Not like they do over here, and maneuver, forget the mirror and forget the signal. Yeah.
That's perfect.